Hello everyone, this is Manpreet Babbar and today I'm here to talk about writing task 2. I'll be helping you with my strategies for writing an effective introduction for writing task 2. But before that, I want to tell you all that there is no fixed pattern of writing task 2. There is no fixed pattern. Every teacher assists you with their knowledge as well as their experience strategy so that you can write an effective introduction without facing any kind of problems. You only just need 4 things, that are your task achievement, coherence, lexical resources and grammatical range. It totally depends on you how you want to frame a good ideas in your writing task 2. So let us directly move to our writing task 2 introduction part. Your introduction of writing task 2 demands 3 main things, that are your background statement, and sometimes you call it journal statement. Second one is rephrasing. You have to rephrase the question. And third one is task response, and people call it thesis line or thesis statement as well. So first thing about writing task 2 is to write a background statement. What you have to do for a good background statement, there are 2 things. You have to find that is background statement given in your question or in the given statement, or you have to make it yourself. Today's topic is the best way to improve health is to do exercise daily. To what extent do you agree? Your question has a single statement. There is no information for making a background sentence. So you have to make your background sentence yourself. And the main topic of this statement is health. So you have to make background statement with the help of the ideas related to health. It can be positive and it can be negative too, because your statement has a solution. So you can make a background statement related to the increasing problems of related to health, and then you can write and rephrase your question, that is a solution. But what is the best way to make background statement? So in my opinion, it is good to write a background statement that ends with the word in modern scenario. But why? There are some of the words which help you to write effective introduction and that give you a complex structure. So it is important as per me to use those words, and for using those words I am suggesting you to write your background statement that ends with in what scenario. And what is that word? And that word is where. Where is used to describe a place, a scenario, any situation. In Punjabi, the where is used to describe the word jithe. So we have to use the word in modern scenario, means ajkal that time we can use that word where, jithe. You can make any of the statement related to health as a background statement, such as health is an indispensable part of every individual's life in this modern scenario. You can write healthy lifestyle should be the priority of everyone in this modern scenario, or you can write a statement like the count of health hazards has been enhanced in this modern scenario where, means problems health to related increase ho gaya ne ajkal de time de vich jithe, and your where is a complex word. The next step is to rephrase your question. You have to rephrase the question in your own wording, such as I rephrased it where, jithe, it is believed that devoting time to exercise is an exclusive way for eradicating health issues. Means कि exercise no time देना is the only way to tackling the problem of health hazard. You can rephrase it with your words, use good words to rephrasing it, and that is our second step. Last step is to give task response. You have to give task response as per question demand. The question was to what extent do you agree? But before giving task response, you should have your ideas, so then you can write the question with a good coherence. Our task was extent, so we have to write one BP 70%, and for the other BP there should be 30% ideas. For me, I have planned for exercise I can write 30%. I'll be writing against this essay 70%. I'll be writing another views related to be fit, accept exercise. That can be including a balanced diet. It can be taxes on junk food. It can be subsidies for vegetables and other healthy food. So I'm writing against this. I'm great extent disagree with this statement. So I have used the word however. I disagree with statement to great extent, since balanced diet and taxes on unhealthy food could assist individuals a healthy lifestyle rather than depending on exercise. Means exercise de alawa ki these two options are good to be healthy. So I disagree with this statement. You can also write I disagree with the statement, since there are another effective methods to be healthy rather than exercise. Is a good introduction. Let us see it. We have used the word come on the place of number or on the place of a lot of problems. We have used word hazards on the place of problems, on the place of word issue. We have used good word enhance on the place of increased. And scenario is also a good vocabulary word. Where is a complex word. Devoting. Devoting means giving time to exercise or rendering time to exercise. And exclusive. Exclusive means only, or you can use the word merely for eradicating. Eradicating means diminishing, removing, tackling, handling health issues. However, is a good vocabulary word. Since means because, why we are agree or why I am disagree. Healthy could assist. Assist means help. Help rather than is also a good complex vocabulary word. So there are a lot of good words, and this is your really good introduction. Please do practice like this. And so I believe that these strategies would help you to write a good introduction. I'll be posting more simple videos so that you can attempt all the modules in the easiest way and score maximum band that you want. Now I have a task for you all. Just write a different background statement related to health that ends with in modern scenario. Let us see who writes the best statement. Thank you.